I'm going to show you on how to delete or deactivate your Telegram account. So the first thing you're gonna do is to open your Telegram application. And then once you're here, click the three lines up in the left part of the application. After you selected those three lines, you can see the options here on this application where you can be able to select the profile, context, settings, and many more. So for this one, we're going to select the settings, and then you will be landed here on this part of the application, and then go to privacy and security. And then once you're here, go to the delete my account, tap this one, and then you'll be able to choose what will be the time frame for your account to be deleted. It's either 3 months, 6 months, a year, or 24 months. So this is how you can delete your Telegram account.